swerve. Okay, this is a strap. This is risky. I'm just gonna get out and move this really fast. I know it's not a good idea to stop on a bridge, but I've got to get this out of the way. All right, we're out of there. Good thing we just caught this red light. Woo! Huge strap, guys. You definitely don't want to run that over. Definitely don't want to run that over. It'll get caught up in your tires, your forks, your motorcycle, your windshield, your axles, your brakes, and everything else. So we got it out of there. Top driving tips is made to help you keep safe. Be aware of stuff like this. If you can't move it, try not to run it over.